Okay, good morning.
Okay, good morning,
Okay, good afternoon, class. Uh, I'm your teacher, Kelvin
teacher.
Mugabe. I'll be taking you
Taking
through
you through
animal health.
animal health.
Now we are on to the
Now we are
introduction to animal health. And before the end of
before
this
the end of
lesson,
this lesson.
we need
We
to
need to
identify the importance of animal health. We need to describe the
describe
animal
the
health
animal health
and welfare,
welfare,
explain animal
explain animal.
diseases and classifications. Are we
Are
together?
we together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kirema, are
Kirema,
you, are you in class?
us,
Brenda?
Brenda.
Yes.
Okay, let us proceed. Thank you. Now, the importance of animal health. Number one,
One,
economic
economic
stability,
stability.
where
Where animals,
healthy animals
animals
contribute to increased
with
productivity,
productivity,
improved
improved
quality of
quality of
animal
animal
products, and
products,
reduced economical
and
losses due
also
to disease
these
outbreaks.
outbreaks.
Number two,
Number two,
we have the
the
public health
public
of
health.
the animal. Animal health
Animal
plays
health,
a significant role in safeguarding
guarding
human
human
health,
health,
maintaining health and healthy animals populations to help prevent the spread of zoonotic diseases, protecting human communities from potential devastating outbreaks. It is very essential and it is very necessary to maintain the health of
the
an
health of
animal
an animal.
because in many instances,
Instances,
if we keep on getting into
getting
contact with animals that are infected,
infected,
they are going to bring
bring
diseases onto
diseases
us,
on
we as
us,
humans.
we as humans.
The third point is
That
about
point is
animal
about
welfare,
animal welfare,
whereby healthy
whereby
animals are
animals
free
are
from
free
pain,
from pain,
distress,
distress,
disease,
disease,
injury,
injury,
ensuring their
ensuring their
physical and
physical and
emotional well
emotional
being.
well-being.
They can
They
express
can
their
express
natural
their natural
behaviors,
behaviors,
thrive in their
thrive in their
environment, and
environment,
live
and live
fulfilling lives.
fulfilling lives.
And that
And that
means that when
means
an
that when
animal
an animal
is in your
is in
homestead
your
or
homestead
an
or
animal
an
is
animal is
under your
under your
jurisdiction,
jurisdiction,
you need to
you
make
need to
sure
make
that
sure
it
that
has
they
the right
have the right to
proper shelter,
proper shelter,
it has the
they
right
have the
of
right of
good feeding,
good
it has
feeding,
the
they
right of
have the
good
right of
health,
good health and
physical and
physical
emotional
and
well-being.
emotional well-being.
Okay,
Okay,
on to the
on
next.
to the next,
We are going to look
we're
onto
going
the
to
food
look on the
security,
food security,
how the
how
livestock
the livestock
produce
produce
provide a safe
provide a
and
safe
nutritious food supply for
supply
human consumption.
and
Maintaining animal
maintaining
health.
health.
Maintaining animal health ensures a stable and reliable source of
Reliable source
essential
of
protein,
essential
like vitamins,
vitamins,
minerals for the growth
minerals,
and human
growth and human
population.
population.
Something else we look
Something
onto
else
the
we look onto the
environmental protection,
environmental protection,
where healthy
where
animals
healthy
contribute to maintaining healthy ecosystems and supporting biodiversity. Responsible animal management practices, including proper waste disposal and disease prevention, minimize environmental contamination and promote sustainable agricultural practices. So, environmental protection is very essential. Very essential. Okay, so on to the next. We are going to look onto wildlife conservation, where animal health is critical for wildlife conservation efforts. Healthy wildlife populations ensure the balance of ecosystems that is in our wildlife and in our conservancies, whereby now we need now to also maintain proper health also to the wildlife outside. For by us not maintaining the health of the animals in wildlife and game parks, they are going to transmit diseases that are going to affect our animals that we keep, that are park animals that we keep and domesticate. Okay, so we are saying the protecting of wildlife from diseases and promoting their well-being contributes to the preservation of natural habitats and the overall health of the planet. Another one, it's companion animal welfare. This is the health of
the health
companion
of
animals such
animals
as
such
pets.
as pets,
They are essential for their well-being
for their
as a
well-being
bond
and
between
bond
humans
between humans
and animals.
and animals.
Healthy
Healthy
companion animals
companion
contribute
animals
to the mental
contribute
and emotional well-being of their owners, providing companionship, reducing stress, and enhancing overall quality life. So the next one, we are going to look onto the animal behavior. And until that point, are we together? Kirema?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we are
thank you,
together.
thank you. Is there a question before we proceed? Is there a question? Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So, in the types of animal behavior, we look onto the cognitive behavior, whereby animals exhibit cognitive abilities such as problem solving, memory, and decision making. Whereby, if we talk about memory and decision making, uh, the types of animals that have such behaviors are like dogs. Dogs have an ability to decision making. They can distinguish between a robber and someone who is of that family. So, in these abilities, they allow them to navigate complex environments and make choices that maximize their chances of survival and reproduction. Another point is social behaviors. Animals engage in various social interactions, including communication, such as the parrots. People who domesticate parrots, they can engage themselves in communication and cooperation and competition. Social behaviors play a crucial role in maintaining group cohesion, finding mates, and rearing offspring. Another point is they learn behaviors. Animals can learn new behaviors through experience, observation, and conditioning. Learning allows them to adapt to changing environments and acquire new skills, such as dogs, German shepherds. They are types, they are breeds that are sophisticated, and when they undergo some several trainings, they can be able to learn new behaviors. Another point is about instinctive behaviors. These behaviors are innate, meaning they are genetically programmed and do not require learning. Examples include foraging, migration, and predator avoidance, such as the wild beast. Wild beasts, they have this instinct of migration. They know where to forage. When a season has come for them, they migrate from Serengeti, coming back to Masai Mara. Okay. The other subtopic is about animal welfare. Animal welfare is concerned with the physical and mental well being of animals. It encompasses factors such as physical health, emotional well being, ability to cope with stress. On matters about physical health, animals should be free from pain, injury, and diseases. They should have access to nutritious food, clean water, and proper shelter. Another point is about emotional well being. Animals should experience positive emotions and minimize negative experiences. They should have opportunities to express natural behaviors and interact with others of their kind. The other point, the last one and not the least one, ability to cope with stress. Animals should be able to manage stress and adapt to changes in the environment. They should have control over the environment to the extent possible can be provided with enrichment opportunities. Okay, now we are going to look at animal diseases and classification. And the first question is, what is an animal disease? Animal disease, it is an impairment of the normal state of an animal that interrupts or modifies its normal vital functionings. Classification of animal diseases. Kirema, can you read for us the first one?
Bacterial disease.
Bacterial
Bacterial
diseases,
diseases.
mastitis,
Mastitis,
Jones disease,
Jones disease,
brucellosis,
brucellosis,
viral diseases,
viral diseases,
foot and mouth
foot and
disease,
mouth disease,
rabies,
rabies,
avian,
avian,
avian influenza,
avian influenza,
parasitic diseases,
parasitic diseases,
influenza,
influenza,
heartworm,
heartworm,
worm disease,
heartworm disease,
prognosis.
transprognosis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Brent, read from the fungal diseases.
Fungal diseases, which includes ringworm, aspergillosis, and blastomycosis. Nutritional diseases, deficiencies, vitamin A deficiency, calcium deficiency, iron deficiency. Genetic defects, which includes cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, and anomy.
Next, Okay, Brenda, we didn't hear you. Read the last one well so that we can be able to hear you. Genetic defects, sorry. Proceed from there.
Genetic defects, cystic fibrosis, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia.
Okay, those are the classification of animal diseases. Thank you. Without much ado, we are going to the prevention and control of animal diseases. There are a number of strategies that can be used to prevent and control animal diseases, including number one, we have vaccination. And vaccination is a safe and effective way to protect animals from many diseases. Vaccination, we normally even hear people announcing the vaccination of foot and mouth brucellosis and other diseases. Okay, we have biosecurity. These are measures such as quarantining new animals and disinfecting premises where animals sleep and where animals rest. It can help to prevent the spread of diseases. Disease surveillance programs can be helped to detect and track outbreaks of disease so that they can be controlled. Another one is treatment. Treatment can help to cure animals that are infected with disease and prevent them from spreading to disease to others. The last one is prevention of genetic defects. That is by genetics testing and selective breeding. So in the selective breeding, watch out so that you do not do inbreeding that causes animals that are retarded and have bad characteristics. So it can help to prevent the spread of genetic disorders. Thank you very much. Our class has ended, and I want us now to do a recap of what you have learned today. Okay, class, what have we learned today? Brenda, what have we learned today? Kirema?
I've learned about animal diseases
Yes.
and their classification,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
which include bacterial diseases, viral diseases, nutrient deficiency, and genetic defects.
Thank you. Someone else?
We have
We have learned
we
about
have learned
animal
about
disease,
animal diseases,
types of
types of animal behavior,
not about the animal behavior,
about instinctive
yes,
behaviors,
yes,
learned
behavior,
learned behavior,
another one.
social behaviors,
Cognitive
the
behavior.
cognitive behaviors.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, now, class, I want to leave you with an assignment. Thank you for participating, and this assignment I'll collect it on the next lesson we are going to be meeting. Okay, now discuss the effects of zoonotic diseases to human and animals. 10 marks. Have a good time. Thank you.